What's going on, guys? Shevon here, back with a brand new video, and today we're gonna look at some cases for your iPhone 10. I've been using the iPhone 10 for over 2.5 months now, and a case is definitely something I need on this thing. Either it gets slippery or for some strange reason it picks up a lot of micro abrasive scratches around the stainless steel. So without any further ado, let's jump into the case lineup. So my first pick would be the Ringkey Flex X. So this is for the iPhone 10. I really love how this feels on the phone, and I get a lot of compliments every single time I wear this case. The great thing about it is that it's flexible as well. It provides a good amount of protection, 360 coverage, power button, easy to press. The volume buttons are also very clicky and satisfying to use, and the port at the bottom has good enough coverage and lip, so if you put your phone down or if your phone falls down on the face, you'll have full protection. And it's an overall great design and feeling. It has a rubberized texture on the back, and it also looks like leather, which gives it a high quality effect. And this is definitely a case that you should have on the list. It's cheap as well. Definitely check it out. Links below in the description. Next up, guys, you have one of my favorites, the Spigen Ultra Hybrid Clear Case. I've done a whole review on this case, over 75,000 views already, which is crazy. But this is definitely a case that everyone has their eyes on. Would I recommend it? Probably not, because it has contributed so many scratches on my iPhone 10. It looks good though. It's from a great company. Customer service is amazing, and they have high quality cases. The buttons feel very nice. It feels way different from Ringkey, which is a good thing. The top has full protection as well. Bottom has full protection. They use their air cushion technology, so it's great for drops from waist height, head height, shoulder height, and it provides a lot of style. And if you just want to go out looking like $1 million, this is definitely the case to use, because it has that transparent back plate, so you can see the entire phone. You let everyone know that you have the iPhone 10. But if you don't want to spend over 30 bucks on this case, you could get the Ringkey Clear Case, which is only $10. And the one that I like about this is that it has that brown smoke, and it's very easier to put on, and that means less scratches for your phone. Same clear back plate, so you could still show off your iPhone 10. And yeah, it's basically the same thing as the Spigen Ultra Hybrid, but it's less bulky and it's more flexible. Now onto the stylish cases. This is the Moju leather case for your iPhone 10, and this is a very good case because it also has that part, so you could put your cards, you could put any little thing in the small pocket around the back. It's basically a leather case that has that microfiber lining inside, just like the original Apple case. But you can definitely feel the difference between this case and the original Apple case. It feels cheaper, but it's still high quality leather, guys. Trust me on this one. The stitching is top notch on this thing. We still have that fully open bottom cutout. The buttons are covered on the side. You don't have that aluminum cover like the Apple leather cases. It does a great job of providing functionality and style on your iPhone 10, which I really love about this case. But if you really want that premium leather feel from a top quality brand, you could get the red one or any one from Apple. Very flexible, same thing as this one, but the thing with this is that it's from Apple, so you know that you have perfect cutouts, and you also have that shiny aluminum feel on the side with the aluminum buttons, and you have that Apple logo, so everyone knows that you have an Apple product, because why not? You spent over $1,000 on this phone. You want people to know that you have the latest and the greatest. Next up, guys, we have the Silhouette case from Patchworks. I want to give a big thanks to Patchworks for sponsoring this video, and they sent out a bunch of cases for review. And also, guys, if you get this video to 500 likes, I will do a giveaway of all these cases that I have. But the one that I chose is this bumper case. It's called Silhouette because of the colored black and white finish. And the great thing about this case is the overall design. It still allows you to see the back of the phone, which is the glass, and you also have the front. So the only thing obstructing the design is the bumper case around the phone. Another question everyone has about cases are how the buttons feel and also the cutouts. So on the top we have full coverage. At the bottom we also have full coverage with cutouts for the speakers and also for the lightning port. The buttons are raised, so it's lifted buttons, making it easier to click Overall, it's a very nice case. We have that ringer switch inside, and the design is great. To me, it's a 9 out of 10. I'll definitely pick one of these up. All links will be down below in the description. Shit. Oh, fool. The last case I have for you guys, and whoa, this one is heavy. I could actually feel it in my hand. This is a battery power bank case, battery case from Alcap. Definitely a lifesaver, but it's also a gym set. This thing is heavy, man. And for me to be carrying this thing around all day, it's definitely a no. I would rather to have this thing on maybe a field trip. It would definitely be worth a field trip. It's something that you should have with you in your arsenal, a battery case, if not a battery power bank. But if you want to lose the cords but have a lot of juice, grab this thing, guys. It has, I'm not even sure. Yes, this thing has 6,000 milliamp hours, which is double, not double, but it's more than your phone. So this could charge your phone 1.5 times. So it could charge it to 100 and charge it to 50%. And yeah, it's a great case. It's not like the Apple cases where you just plug it on and it starts charging. You'd have to press the button at the bottom down here and it starts to charge the phone. And the great thing about it is that this thing charges with a lightning charger, so that's one less cable to carry around. You don't have to carry around a micro USB or anything like that. So smart thinking from them. It's also very thin on the sides, which is great for taking off the case. To take off the case, it's very easy as well. Just tilt the phone up, drag it out just like that, and you're good to go. Now, for all those people that are not interested in cases but for some strange reason made it to the end of this video, I have something special for you, and that is a SlickWrap skin. Take a look at this retro skin by SlickWraps. It's absolutely stunning on my iPhone 10 right here. So it comes in a bunch of varieties. You could get the full coverage, or for me, I took only the back plate because it looks really clean with the stainless steel design. And this basically provides style and also grip. And last but not least, it prevents your phone from scratches, micro scratches on the side if you get the full coverage, and also on the back. It might prevent you from drop cracks. I'm not sure if it will hold up, but it provides a nice look. I absolutely love it. So this is the SlickWrap Retro Skins. If you want to pick up one and you want to get a huge discount on your purchase, click the link down below. That's my referral link. Helps out the channel as well. And you could also use my code SHEVI7 for a huge discount on your next purchase. Thanks to everyone who have used my referral link. I've made enough money to help me buy the iPhone 10 just because of you guys, which is amazing. So keep up the good work, guys. And I hope you enjoyed my case review. Ton of functional cases right here for you guys. If you don't want me to give away one of these cases, get the video to 500 likes and I'll choose a winner down below. Any case you want from the video. And always, guys, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.